My mom and dad both worked, so we always lived paycheck to paycheck, and there wasn't any extra money for things like eye exams.
Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Constantly wondering how you are going to make ends meet? It is stressful and overwhelming feeling. But the good news is that it is not a permanent situation. With a little bit of determination and the right strategies, you can take control of your finances and break free from this circle in just 30 days. Welcome to my channel, where we simplify finance and help you achieve financial freedom. If you are ready to stop stressing about money, then hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more tips like this. A quick disclaimer here. I am not a financial advisor with years of experience in economics, but I am a content creator who got tired of living from paycheck to paycheck, so I decided to take my finances seriously. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to improve their financial situation is debt. Whether it's a credit card debt, student loans, or mortgages. Debt can feel like a weight that is holding you back from achieving your financial goals. Another common obstacle is the lack of budgeting. Many people don't have a clear picture of where their money is going each month, which makes it difficult to make changes and prioritize their spendings. Additionally, unexpected expenses can be a major setback for people trying to get their finances on track. Whether it is a car repair, medical bill, or a home maintenance issue, these expenses can quickly blow a hole in your budget and leave you feeling defeated. And finally, many people struggle with the mindset that they are not making enough money to make a difference. They'll feel like they are stuck in a low-paying job with no way out, and that they will never be able to achieve financial freedom. But here is the thing. None of these challenges are insurmountable. By making a few simple changes to your daily habits and mindset, you can start to take control of your finances and make progress towards your goals. For example, you can start by tracking your expenses and creating a budget that actually works for you. The first step to breaking free is to analyze your finances. Write down all your income sources and list every expense. Seeing everything on paper or in an app like Mint, which is also known as Money Tracker or Expense Tracker, will help you understand where your money is going. To get the Money Tracker or Expense Tracker application, all you need to do is open your App Store and then search for the word Mint. And then you're going to see it looking like this. And I'm sure you know how to take it on from here. This step is crucial because you can't fix what you don't measure. You can cut back on unnecessary expenses like dining out or subscription services you don't use. And you can start looking for ways to increase your income, whether it's by picking up a side hustle or asking for a raise at work. Once you have a clear picture of your expenses, it's time to trim the fat. Look for non-essential spendings like dining out, subscriptions, or impulse buys. For the next 30 days, commit to these expenses and redirecting that money towards savings or debt repayment. Another key strategy is to prioritize your spending and focus on the things that truly add value to your life. Instead of wasting money on things that don't matter, you can start investing in yourself and your future. This might mean taking a course or getting a certificate to improve your career prospects. Or it could mean investing in a retirement account or other long-term savings vehicle. The key is to focus on things that will have a lasting impact on your financial situations. You can also create a bare bone budget where you focus only on essential things like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Allocate every dollar you earn so your income is working for you. This might feel like you're restricting yourself. It might feel restrictive at first, but remember, it's just for 30 days to jumpstart your journey. Next, save for a mini emergency fund at least $500 to $1,000. Use the money you freed up from cutting expenses to build this fund. This safety net will help you avoid relying on credit cards when unexpected expenses arise. One of the most important strategies I've found is to adopt a savings first approach. This means setting aside a portion of your income as soon as you get paid, rather than waiting until the end of the month to see what's left over. This approach can be a game changer because it ensures that you are prioritizing your savings and investment and above all else. And by doing so, you will be amazed at how quickly your financial situation can start to improve. Another important mindset shift is to prioritize financial education. Many people don't know how to manage their finances effectively because they have never been taught. By taking time to learn about personal finance and investing, you can start to make more informed decisions about your money and achieve your goals much faster. So take the time to read books, listen to podcasts, and seek out advice from financial experts. It's worth the investment, I promise. So let's recap the key steps we've discussed for breaking free from living paycheck to paycheck in 30 days. First, take control of your spendings by tracking your expenses and creating a budget that works for you. Next, prioritize your spending and focus on the things that truly add value to your life. Then, adopt a savings first approach and prioritize your financial education. By following these steps and staying committed, you can make a huge impact on your financial situation in just 30 short days. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. If you have got any financial tips or tricks that have worked for you, be sure to share them in the comment section below. And if you are looking for more strategies on personal finance, be sure to check out my next video where we will dive even deeper into the world of personal finance. Finally, explore ways to boost your income. This could be picking up a side hustle, freelancing, or selling things you no longer need. Use this extra income to further your savings or pay off high interest debt. Which of these steps are you going to try first? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more financial freedom tips. Thanks for watching. Click on the video on the screen right now because that is the video that YouTube thinks you should watch.